Tulagore toll, and today we are going to ride to Lal Kakra Beach. And here you can see the lineup, so it's most probably all 390. We have an Africa train over there.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third date. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt but you're okay, you learn from your mistakes. Your friends back in high school, we thought we were so cool. We'd steal Jack, my dad's stash, and drink the whole night through. The first time you first moved, that's new job and new rules. New student, made new friends, a new start, a new you. I guess things could be worse. Dad's in sales and my mom is a nurse. Yeah, family comes first. Remember all the good and forget about the worst. Yeah, some things will burn and others will hurt, but you can make it work. Yeah, just flash back and be glad that you can look back at a good past. Happy that you have that. I like living in the past. It makes me thankful for everything I have. Yeah, every time that I laugh, it makes me grateful for the present and the past. Yeah, don't live life too fast. Take it all slowly and you can make it last. Yeah, keep all the friends that you had back in your math class. You'll be glad that you have them when you look back.
So we're here on the bikes. Breakfast, and you can see it's a long lineup, massive, so many KTM 390 ADVs. We also have some 250s, and we have Thunderbird and an Africa train over there.
It's that time that you got caught. You snuck out and forgot. Your parents were so mad, but man, she was so hot. That time you got too drunk. The first time you blew chunks. It's okay, we all drank too much when we're too young. The first time you held hands. Your first time in romance. You thought you had no chance, but still asked her to dance. The time that you moved out. Your parents were so proud, and waving goodbye they held back their tears somehow. Let's go. All lives are the same, but we can work together and we can make a change. Yeah, this life is strange. Remember all the good while forgetting all the pain. Yeah, think back to a day when you were so free just to run around and play. Yeah, you can have that day. Just let go, let your mind run away. Yeah, and learn to be young. Have a little fun with your friends in the sun. Cause in life you only got one. Give yourself a break, quit living on the run. And be where your feet are. Laying down at night just stare for the stars. Yeah, and be proud of who you are. Wear your memories in your sleep like a scar.
As you can see behind us, that is Aniket, he's having fun, and that is the Lalkakra. That is Babugan Jolpai over there, and there is the lineup. So the lineup goes up to here and all the way over there. So now we are going to head to the camp. This is straight this way, and then we are going to chill in the camp. So see you in the camp. At the Icchedana Beach, and you can see the lineup. Amazing, all the bikes.
There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, rock in a hard place? Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Here is the beach, the Lal Kakra Beach. And there's a beautiful sunrise over there.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I
From Icchedana camp, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. They had a breakfast. The guys are all lined up here outside the tent. We're going to ride back home today. Maybe we'll stop on the way at Kolkata and have lassi or tea. I have my bike all ready. All the guys over there chilling.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the start, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable. Let me in, let me know me, yeah, I got only a path, I'm only. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable. Let me in, let me know me, yeah, I got only a path, I'm only. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rise just like the sun. Yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the start, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in.
Now we are returning. Go down over there. Coming up 2:30 and we are at Navano. It was a short ride. It was an okay place and we had fun over there. It's a big crowd. So see you in the next ride.
Know me, yeah, I got only a path, I'm only, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.